Hey, buddy. Can you help with this firewood?
Sure. What's the bundle of rights?
The bundle of rights? Huh. So, you know what? Let me show you. Here, sit down. Let me show you. All right, here, take this one.
Yeah.
Hold this. Okay. I want to give you my house.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So here's what they used to do back in the day. The bundle of rights stands for the right of possession, the right of control, the right of enjoyment, the right of exclusion, and the right of disposition. And what it would mean is back in the day they used to gather a bunch of things like this on the land, and they used to give it to the person that they were going to give the home to or to sell the house to. And they would accept it, and then that exchange would signify the transfer. But today, we don't need all of that. Your mom's going to kill us. All we need is a deed. So a deed represents the transference of the bundle of rights. When we transfer a deed, we get the right of possession, the right of control, the right of exclusion, and the right of disposition. If you're studying for your real estate exam right now, or if you're looking to level up your real estate knowledge,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.